In this video I'm going to show how to create also account without PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using a Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process on any phone, including iPhone. Doesn't matter. What you need to do is first open your navigator. Okay, I will use Google Chrome, but you can use any navigator. Then click to search on Google and search also create account. Click to go. Then you will come right here on these results and click login or register. Okay, click right here. Then swipe down and click right here on username. Put your username. Create your password. So for example, 1234, and your also username. Okay, the username that you will show on also website. So put right here and click to register your account, and that's it. You created an also account without PC. I hope I helped you on how to create an also account without PC. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.